of course, we're gonna focus on creating our own. So, magkaka-create tayo ng sarili natin. Ayan. Ayan. Hintayin natin. Naglo-loading masyado dahil mahina medyo ang wifi. But, in Prezi, no, ayan, it really offers quite a lot. So, sa left side, makikita nyo muna yung overview ng mga slides nyo. So, ito yung unang makikita sa mga slides. Ayan, ito yung mga presentation slides. Itong frame, it is essential kasi kung nilipat mo tong text na to, hindi na siya makikita. Ayan, hindi na siya makikita. So, let's try to present it. Ayan. So, di na yan siya makikita. So, yung mga text dapat, or any image or text shape, or any GIF or video na kailangan mong i-add, dapat nakalagay siya sa frame. So, ayan. Ayan. We could also see the transition by clicking on the left side. Diba? Ang ganda. May pa-zoom in, may pa-slide. Hindi siya yung napaka-static lang na next slide. Ito, paiba-iba ng direction, which is great to keep the students' attention. So, let's change the background. You could change the background to any color. Let's turn it to color blue. Ayan. Yeah. Ayan. Diba? Ang ganda. So, you could also add an image then as well. Ayan. Let's try an image here para makita natin lalo. Ayan. Let's try this, yung sky. Ayan. Ang ganda. So, ayun. Nabawasan yung AI credit ko. So, 440 na lang. Kaya yun. Make sure na you really buy the plan kasi napakaganda niya as in you will utilize it. So, may topic muna for today is writing a short input on what happened siguro today. Ayan. So, you could also change the font. Pwede mo din lakihan. Ang raming font na ino-offer ang Prezi. So, you could also find more options sa fonts. Ayan, you could also palakihin siya yung text mismo. Ayan, you could also like expand the text mismo. Ayan, ang ganda ng Prezi talaga. Maraming fonts. Nandito na talaga lahat. You will find it here lahat. So let's look at itong colors. Ayan, meron silang palettes na ino-offer. So you could choose any palettes. Ayan, na fit. Ayan, so, parang maganda to. Sige, gamitin natin to. Pero ayan, marami siyang ino-offer na mga palettes. So you could use it as well. So after nyan, of course, meron pa ding options. Hindi lang dito nagtatapos si Prezi. You could also add a text as I stated kanina. Ayan, type natin pangalan natin. Ayan, litan natin ng onte. Ayan. Ayan. So, naliitan na natin ng onte. Diba, nandito na talaga lahat. Ang ganda na ng mga images na binibigay. So, as ang ganda ng font, nandito na lahat ng font na kailangan mo. So, as nandito na lahat ng options. Then, you could also add a link kung gusto mo. And yung format, of course, ng mga text, yung line height, and then yung letter spacing. And then, you could also, ayan, diba? You could also add these bullets, no? And then yung outdent, tapos yung indent, you could also add that. As well as, meron din tayong secret weapon. Ang animation, di ba? Sa animation, napakaganda na ng slide itself. Wala pa yung mga animation. Pero dito, tignan nyo to. Ayan. Lagyan natin siya na fade in. Present natin siya. Ayan. So, wala pa siya, di ba? Kailangan mong i-click next. So, sa board, pwede mo siya i-zoom in, zoom out, ganyan. So, let's look at the nakita natin doon na next slide. Dapat i-next slide natin siya. So, i-next slide natin siya. Ayan. So, nag-appear na yung text, diba? May animation na siya. So, you could also add animations to other images then as well. So, let's try naman to add an image. So, ayan. Ayan. Let's try to create an image by AI. It offers quite a lot, pati stickers. Pero, let's try teachers. Ang teacher in front of class with history. Ayan, books. Ayan, syempre, as a social studies major tayo dito. Ayan. So, mag-generate yan of course, pero baka matagal based off sa internet. But after nyan mag-generate, ayan na, bibigyan na siya ng maraming options. So, pwede ka pa mag-generate more. Ayan, I will use this. Napakaganda ng image. Litan lang natin ng onte. Ayan. Natin siya sa gilid. Diba? Ang ganda ng Prezi. Lahat talaga nandito, not kidding. Could also add an animation din. Could also add a link. So, lakihan natin siya. Lagyan natin siya dito sa middle. Could also bring to front, bring forward, send to back, send backward, flip horizontal, and flip vertically. So, let's flip, no? Send to back para nasa likod siya. Ayan, ang ganda. So, ibahin natin siguro yung color. Medyo na overpowered siya. So, nakadepende talaga din sa gagamit kung paano niya to i-utilize. So, I will change the color to something na nagpa-pop out. Ayan, yellow siguro. Ayan, medyo okay. Yeah. So, let's choose yellow. Ayan. So, ayun, may image na tayo. Siguro lagyan natin to sa, sa gilid na lang siguro. Ayan. Lagyan natin sa gilid. Ayan. And then, let's also move this. Yan, you could move every element around, play with the elements. So, sa Prezi, binibigyan ka na ng offer na to actually explore the app. And then, after that, of course, you could avail the plan. So, you could also search images na you would like let's try teacher. Ayan. Mag-a-appear siya ng mga pictures ng teachers. It also has like the GIFs. Ayan, di ba? May mga gumagalaw-galaw pala sa mga slides na di natin nagagawa sa mga PPTs before, but in Prezi, available na siya. Ayan, you could also add this. Ayan, add natin to kasi ang cute. Ayan. Ako excited na ako sa birthday cake ng mga nakshi ko sa Teacher's Day. It also has icons. Ayan, ang raming icon na to. So, pag gumamit ako dyan, mababawasan naman yung AI points ko. So, you could also add shapes. Ayan, pwede mo ibahin yung color. Lagyan natin siya here sa gilid. Ayan. Better. Ayan. It's coming together. So, sa story block, you could add tables, yung goals, yung timelines, yung map. So, let's add this map. Kasi napaka-interesting niya kanina. Ayan, let's add probably this one, yung leaderboard. Ayan. Press natin. Ayan. Mag-a-appear siya kaagad. Itan natin. Then, of course, send to back natin siya. Diba? Pwede mo siya galaw-galaw kahit saan. Napakaganda. It offers a lot. Yung Prezi, it offers a lot. So, I would like to recommend all to you to actually get the plan kaagad kasi sulit na sulit talaga. So, you could also add a planet topic, ganyan. Magtra-transition yan mamaya sa frame. Ayan, lagay natin, hey, ayan. And then, you could also add a page topic, no? Same lang din siya, but puno. Nakita niyo yan, as in puno siya. So, you could add, add gotcha. Ayan. Ayan, lagyan natin siya sa gilid. So, itong Prezi talaga, grabe, it offers quite a lot. You can also add like animations, like zoom out, yung kaninang sinabi ko, like fade in sa mga text and images. So, nandito na talaga lahat. You will not look for other sites na when you use Prezi. So, ayan, you could also share the said link sa iba para ma-view nila. You could share in Classroom, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook. So, copy mo lang yung link, isend yung link doon sa mga social medias, and they could access it quick. So, you could present this slide, present full screen, present view, and record as a video. So, let's look at this one ulit. So, you could also add their email address if you want to. So, ayan, itong Prezi is very essential for everyone. Let's title pala muna nito, My Day End. So, let's look at, i-present na natin to. Let's look at our work. So, ayan, diba? Ang ganda. Next slide natin. Ayan. See, pwede mo siyang igalaw-galaw. Ayan, pwede kang bumalik sa first slide ulit if may concern. Pwede kang mag-zoom in, zoom out sa info na kailangan mo. You could also, ayan, pa-zoom in, ayan, zoom in tayo dyan, check natin. So, after nyan, you will move on to the next part. And then, after that, pupunta ko ulit sa next part. Diba? Ang ganda ng mga transitions dito. Nakita natin siya as a whole and how interconnected those concepts are, which is the basic essence, no, ng pagbabago sa social studies. As a teacher myself, no, this is very integral para sa mga students to not just recall facts but realize the concepts and understand the concepts. So, ayan, dito na tayo nagtatapos sa ating teacher finds. I hope you like it, everyone. And I hope na gamitin nyo tong Prezi kasi it is really helpful for the students, for the teachers, and for everyone. So, I highly promote this edtech tool to be used kasi napakaganda niya. Nandito na lahat. Nandito, pwede kang mag-create ng presentations, Facebook posts, social media posts, infographics, mga shorts. Lahat na nandito. So, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Halina't samahan ako sa Prezi and let's continue on creating this fun and interactive slides with Prezi. Bye, everyone!